If you're trying to start your car but the engine doesn't turn on, then it's the time to change your car's battery. In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to remove your old battery and then install the new battery. Let's get started. This is the new battery. Open your car's hood and then find where your battery is. At the top of the battery, there are two nuts that are clamping down the battery. Use a 10 millimeters ring spanner and then turn the nut anti-clockwise in order to make the nut loose. And then you could use your hand to turn the nut and then to finally remove the nut. And then you can remove the metal piece by moving it down. You don't need to remove the other nut of the clamp. The positive and negative terminals of the battery are also clamped. So use the same ring spanner to turn the nut and make it loose. You don't have to completely remove the nut. You can simply pull out the clamp. Do the same thing on the positive terminal and similarly pull out the clamp to remove it. Get the metal clamp out of the way from the top of the battery, and now the battery is completely loose. Gently remove it. There is a loose tray at the bottom. Make sure it is placed properly, and then bring in the new battery and place it on top of the tray. Make sure it is secure. Remove the caps from the positive and negative terminals and then put on the positive and negative clamps. Tighten the nut by turning it in the clockwise direction. Do the same for the positive terminal. I found it difficult to turn the nut because of this rubber cover. Squeeze in the clips and pull out and then turn over the rubber cover to get it out of the way. And now it's much easier to turn the nut and then put on the red cap and then bring in the clamp to the top of the battery. But as you can see, the new battery is a bit higher. That is why this metallic piece is not sitting flat. To fix it, further turn the other nut in the anti-clockwise direction to bring it a bit higher and then keep checking until the metal piece is flat, and that's it. Bring back in the metallic rod that we removed before. Insert the bended end into the hole below and then insert the top of the rod into the hole of the top metal piece. While you're holding the rod, place on the nut. First turn it with your hand and then tighten it with the ring spanner by turning it in the clockwise direction. Don't tighten it too much. Just make sure the top metal piece is sitting flat and it's secure. You can adjust the top nut also a little bit to make it completely even. And now the new battery is secured. Put back in the rubber cover by inserting the clips and making sure it is secure. And now you can close the hood. And now when you turn on the key, the car starts easily and the new battery is working. Make sure to take your old battery to a recycling center to dispose it off safely. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. I've also got many other tutorials on Toyota Yaris that you can watch from the playlist on the screen. And if you have got any questions, please let me know in the comments below.